What's up, y'all? It's Solo. We are only a few days away now from me receiving my packages of honeybees. And these hives have been out here for a few weeks now. Now, it is early spring, late winter. I don't think there's anything in these boxes. But before I get my bees, I just want to open them up and make sure nothing else moved in while I was waiting on my bee. Alright, that's good. There's a spider living in here, but I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about ants, honestly. So let's just take a look at a couple trays, make sure there's nothing living on them. Good. Doesn't look like anything that's trying to move into those. Well, at least this box. I don't see any activity. I don't see anything like ripping off the wax flecking. So I think nothing has been in here. Spider, I hope I didn't crush you. I don't mind if you're in there. Just one little one. Alright, hive number 2. Wax smells so good. I think we're good. I don't think we had any critters try to move in while I've been waiting on my beehives. So I was supposed to get it a month ago, so he's already been out here for more than a month. But there was a delay for all packages of bees, so I've been kind of playing the waiting game. But bees look ready. It makes me really happy. Really getting excited for my bees. And yeah. So now I'm just going to wait a few more days and we're going to bring the packages down. Each one's going to have a queen in it. I think it comes in a little package, like a little container by itself. And I'm supposed to attach the queen to the bottom of the frame, and you're supposed to pull the plug out, but there's a candy plug you're not supposed to remove. And this candy plug is eaten by the worker bees and they eventually get to the queen and free her. So that's going to be next in a few days. I'm going to have my packages of bees and try to knock them in there and then take the queen and attach her as well and hopefully leave it all tied up for a while and come back in a few days or weeks and see how they're doing. Anyway, take care, y'all.